Hello! Today we're going to look at how to make a maraca from plastic spoons and plastic eggs. After last week's tricky and fiddly wind chime, we thought we'd try something a little easier this week. Making your maraca should only take around 5 to 10 minutes. You will need 2 plastic spoons, some plastic eggs. These can be bought very cheaply online or from craft shops such as The Works. I bought a pack of 12 for £3. You will also need some dry rice and some plain sellotape or some decorative tape. You can find all sorts of colourful sellotape online or in craft and stationery shops. Step 1. Fill up half of the plastic egg with your dry rice, then put it together again. Step 2. Take your 2 plastic spoons and, using the sellotape, attach the scooping bits of the spoon to opposite sides of the egg. The handle ends of the spoons should be touching at the bottom. Sellotape them together as well. Step 3. That's it. Grab your maraca by the handle and give it a good shake to make a sound. We've sent out some new, old, and very old music that has been used for dancing to or that is based on dance music. And maracas are perfect for shaking along to anything like this that has a beat. See if you can spot the Alton Towers theme hidden in our recording this week.